We're going to be Angry Birds. And this is the stuff that it takes to become an Angry Bird. Fingernail polish, a rain jacket, paper, a lot of eyeliner, eyebrow, lip, and eyeliner, makeup pads, paper, blackboard, one large pineapple pizza, and a well.
After we get really mad, we explode. We're gonna have masks. You forgot about the mask.
Oh, we have masks too.
And
2 big bags of candy.
Look at me, I look like a hobo.
It's Halloweeny!
They're gonna be this big. We got one for you. We're gonna use these. Heidi, you're such a genius person. We're gonna do
This is what happens on Halloween.
Halloweeny.
Candies. Thriller! Woo!
And we're gonna have this in our hair.
An Angry Bird. Okay. I just want to say, we're gonna have some kicking costumes for the night before Halloween.
Look at your eyes.
You see my eyebrows? Do I look like angry? Do I look like angry?
Unibird. Unibrow.
It's really creepy when I start to laugh. So
I'm the bluebird, by the way.
I'm the red bird. But we're doing all this on like poof, nothing. No Halloween store, no nothing. We got Daiso.
I like.
You know, we make our own face paint. Who needs face paint? Carmen's making her eyeballs bigger. So this is the process, and we're doing real good, especially for no felt.
Have you seen the cartoons, Heidi? We're gonna be down when we take our picture. Really bad.
Carmen just imitated an Angry Bird.
And then.
Every day I'm shuffling. Where's my coffee?